Hey guys, hope everybody's doing okay. I'm going to attempt to clean this up. It's a little rougher than expected, so I might take and go outside and get some of the vinegar I've got, come in and use some scrubbers and some of the vinegar and just scrub it and see if I can get all the rust out of it. The outside's in pretty good shape. It's got a couple of rust spots, so I'm gonna hit those with a little toothbrush, see if I can get those all cleaned off, and then we're gonna take and season it up so I can put this one with my number 2, because this one is a number 3, and I also have the big number 8, so we're gonna see if we can get these all ready for going out and using them in our gatherings. Alright, I've got a couple of weapons at my disposal. I'm going to get a little stainless brush here. I've got some Scotch-Brite pads. Have the Lodge little rust remover. That might work on some of the little spots on the outside. Got some Comet. I've got steel ball. I've got some Brillo pads. My wife picked up these. We'll see if they do any good. But with everything, we should be able to get this thing clean. So we'll check back after I start scrubbing on it. Alright guys, working on the lid while I'm letting the pot soak. I got the rust spots of the rust off, and the backside looks pretty good, so I'm going to take and oil this thing up and we'll put it in the oven, and then I'll get the pot ready and then we'll get it all seasoned up. Alright guys, after a lot of scrubbing with vinegar and I guess it'd be a stainless scrubber there, we got the rust out. There was a little bit that was stuck on there good. I had to use this little scrub brush to get it off, but it all came off. I'm going to take and dry this up a little bit better, then I'm going to oil it down and then we'll start seasoning. Alright guys, she is done. Did a ton of scrubbing, got the oil going, inside seasoned. Everything is ready to roll, so I'll be able to take it out to the gathering. Let me get the lid for her. Alright guys, she is ready to go cooking. Hope everybody has a great one.